Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw using the Trust Wallet on your mobile. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. In your dashboard, you will see your added tokens in your account or wallet assets. To add tokens to your wallet, tap on this icon at the top right corner and here, search or scroll down to look for the token you want to add. Then, just toggle this one beside it. Now it will show up on your dashboard. To deposit on your wallet, choose any of the tokens on your dashboard and click on Buy. Enter the amount you want to add, and that's it. If you want to deposit to a different wallet, then tap on the Receive button instead. Scan the QR code or copy the address and share it. On the other hand, if you want to withdraw from Trust Wallet, click on the Send button. Paste the external address here and put the amount below. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!